Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning. Next we are going to see membrane carbohydrate. What is carbohydrate? Girls, do you know? Okay. Carbohydrates are the sugars, starches and fibers found in the fruits, grains, vegetables and milk products. Though often maligned in trendy diets, carbohydrates, one of the basic food groups, are important to health. Okay, it's a carbohydrate or the sugars. Membrane carbohydrates. Cell membrane are selectively barriers that separate individual cells and cellular compartments. Membrane are assemblies of carbohydrates, proteins, and lipids held together by binding forces. Carbohydrates are covalently linked to the proteins. Proteins are glycoprotein, are lipids, glycolipids, and also an important part of cell membrane. It functions as adhesion and address loosely for cells. The fluid mosaic model describes membrane as fluid lipid bilayer with floating proteins and carbohydrates. Okay, girls, do you understand? Membrane carbohydrates are chemically bound to glycolipids and glycoproteins. Some membranes of carbohydrates are part of proteoglycans that insert their amino acid chain among the lipid fatty acid. What is proteoglycans? Girls, say. Okay, protoglycans are proteins that are heavily glycosylated. Okay, protoglycan is a protein. Although some carbohydrates can be found associated with intracellular membranes, most of them are located in the outer monolayer of the plasma membrane, facing the extracellular space. Membrane are carbohydrate types. Carbohydrate groups are present only on the outer surface of the plasma membrane and are attached to protein, forming glycoprotein or lipids, forming glycolipids. Okay, glycoproteins. Most of the membrane carbohydrates are found linked to proteins, that is known as glycoproteins. Okay, nearly all the membrane proteins have carbohydrates. The glycoproteins, the majority of the molecule consists of proteins. They have one or more oligosaccharides attached to protein, and they usually are branched and do not have serial repeats. They are rich in information, forming highly specific sites for recognition and high affinity binding of other proteins. As in glycolipids, the sugar residues are added in the lumen of the ear and Golgi apparatus. For this reason, the oligosaccharide chains are always present on the non-cytosolic side of the membrane. The sugars can be attached to a protein and to location in the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum, which produce N-linked sugar. The Golgi apparatus, which produces O-linked sugars. The different structure of N and O-linked sugar give them different functions. Membrane-bound glycoproteins participate in a wide range of cellular phenomena, including cell recognition, cell surface antigenicity, etc. These are the glycoproteins. How it works. Glycolipids. Glycolipids are membrane lipids in which the hydrophilic head groups are oligosaccharides. There are three types of glycolipids are found in membranes. Glycosphingolipids, which are the most abundant in the animal cells, glycoglycerolipid, and glycophosphatidylneocytol. Okay, glycoglycerolipid are most frequently in the plasma membrane of plant cells. Only 5% of lipid in membranes are glycolipids, which are as in glycoproteins. Glycolipid act as specific sites of recognition by carbohydrate binding proteins. Now you understand, girls? Okay. Membrane carbohydrate structure. See the structure. Carbohydrate present in the plasma membrane as a short, sometimes branches as a short. It present as a short, but sometimes branches chain of sugars attached either to exterior peripheral proteins, forming like glycoproteins to the polar ends of phospholipid molecules in the outer lipid layer. Okay, carbohydrate chains may consist of 2 to 60 monosaccharides units, can be either straight or branched. This is the structure: the glycoproteins, carbohydrate, glycolipids, cholesterol, integral protein, peripheral proteins, channel proteins, alpha helix proteins, and globular proteins. Okay, this is the structure of membrane carbohydrate. The oligosaccharides chain of membrane glycoprotein and glycolipids are formed various combination of 6 principal sugars: D-galactose, D-mannose, L-fucose, N-acetyl neuromanic acid, also called sialic acid. It also called sialic acid. N-acetyl D-glucosamine and N-acetyl D-galactosamine. All of this may be derived from glucose. Okay, the oligosaccharides side chains of glycoproteins and glycolipids are enormously diverse in their arrangement of sugars. Although they usually contain fewer than 15 sugars, they are often branched, and the sugars can be bounded together of covalent linkages, unlike the amino acid in a polypeptide chain, which are linked by identical peptide bonds. Even 3 sugars can be put together to form hundreds of different trisaccharides. Principle both the diversity and exposed position of the oligosaccharides on the cell surface make them specially well suited to a function in specific cell recognition process. Okay, did you understand, girls, the membrane structure of carbohydrate? Have any doubt? Okay. Functions of carbohydrate membranes. Membrane carbohydrate perform two main functions. The membrane carbohydrate performs two main functions: participate in cell recognition and adhesion, either cell-cell signaling or cell pathogen interaction between cell interaction. Okay, they have a structural role as a physical barrier. Blood groups are determined by cell surface. Carbohydrates are erythrocytes, and they also have the ability to trigger immunological responses. An infection endothelial cells near the injured tissues. It exposes a type of proteins known as selectins in their plasma membranes. Okay, they recognize and bind carbohydrates of the plasma membrane of lymphocytes that go through the blood stream. In this way, the lymphocytes get attached to the blood vessel, can cross the endothelium and move to the infection focus. Okay, the carbohydrate recognition molecules. It are also important during embryonic development. Okay, it is a very important during the embryonic development. Carbohydrates of the plasma membrane are major recognition and attaching sites of pathogen during infection. It protects microvilli in the gut and which absorb nutrients, and the glycocalyx even aids in the breakdown of foods for this absorption by holding digestive enzymes in its coat. Certain plasma transport proteins, hormones, and enzymes are glycoproteins. In these molecules, carbohydrate is important to physiological activity. Did you understand, girls, the function of carbohydrate? If you have any doubt, okay. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay. Okay, Allah Hafiz. Thank you. Thank you, girls. Allah Hafiz.